Hello friends, today we will be installing Scratch on our system. So for installing Scratch, you can open google.com and type Scratch and hit enter. It will lead you to the site scratch.mit.edu, which is the official site for Scratch programming. I'll click on this site. Okay, if you see at the right hand side, you have the sign in option. You can sign in and start using Scratch, or the other option is you can download. For that, you need to go down, scroll it down, and under resources, you have the download button. You can click on the download button to download Scratch. So downloading Scratch is preferable because you can use Scratch even in the offline mode. Okay, so it gives you the option to choose any of the operating system. I have Windows on my system, so that's the chosen one for me. I'll scroll it down and click on direct download. When I click on direct download, the setup.exe will show up and it will start downloading. It takes very less time to do this installation. It gets completed very fast. So as you can see, it just says like 14 seconds are left. So we'll just wait for those seconds to finish so that I have my exe file with me. So it's like 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's done. So once it opens, once it finishes, it gives me the open file folder. Yeah, so it gives me the option for open file. And in this window, Scratch 3 setup, I have two options. The first option is anyone who uses this computer, means all the users of your system can use Scratch, or the other one is only for me. So it's up to you to select whether you wish to make the software available to all the users or just yourself. So I go by the default option, which is only for me, and I click on the install button. Again, it takes very less time to get installed, hardly few seconds, and we are just about to be done. So it is one of the fastest installations, I should say, for any software. So it's about to be done. And once it finishes, it gives me the finish button. I click on the finish button. And it will load Scratch for me. So see, it says Scratch is loading and creating a project for me. So your setup for Scratch is ready now. You can start programming on Scratch. So happy coding. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.